Hi everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today we are going to talk about how to run a test multiple times in TestNG using invocation count. Invocation count in TestNG lets you run the same test method more than once. This is useful for checking if your code works well under repeated execution. So let's begin. Add invocation count is equal to 3 with @test annotation. Suppose you have requirement in which you want to execute this login test case multiple times. So you can use invocation count value is equal to 3. In this class, we have total 2 methods. One is login and second is logout. This test case will execute 3 times and this logout test case will execute 1 time. Let's run this script. Total number of tests run 2. This logout test case execute 1 time and this login test case execute 3 times. The total number of tests is equal to 4. If you set the value invocation count is equal to 0, it means this test case will not execute. Only logout test case will execute. Here you can view the pass test case is equal to 1, which is logout successfully. That's it's a quick way to run your test multiple times using invocation count. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SP World for more testing tips. Thanks for watching.